19. Find and get rid of all the micro-invaders before the timer runs out.
Here we
Ready, go!
The completion. So, tips and tricks for this level.
Level incomplete. Would you like to... Yes. Level 19. Find and get rid of all the micro-invaders before the timer runs out. Ready, go!
Look closely at...
You zapped the healthy microorganism. Zap the micro-invaders instead. Level incomplete. Would you
What?
like to...
It said I zapped the green by accident. And then the purple ones came closer to it
before the timer runs out.
Before I
Ready,
accidentally did that. Zap them real fast. Zap them. All you gotta do is just zap them real fast, like this.
Finish.
So,
well done.
Finally, this level. So, if you enter closer to the final one,
Gold medal.
if you enter some levels that are in the green, and this one, it's very hard. So, the final two dimensions are very hard.
Feed all the
Other than
microorganisms before the timer runs out. Ready, go!
Now this level is getting easy.
Finished. Great job.
That game is it. That game's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, but if I figure out the test mode for this, I'll let you know, or I'll notify you. So, now these dimensions are very hard, so
Level 21.
better think of the impossible.
Find and heal all the sick microorganisms before the timer runs out. Ready, go!
Look for the organisms that does not have a yellow outline on the face. Like this one.
Finished.
Oh wait.
You did it.
Completed.
You earned a gold medal. Level 22. Find and remove all the growing micro-invaders before the timer runs out. Ready, go!
It will spread out very fast, so closer and closer. Unless it's low. Oh, another one.
Finished. Fantastic. You earned a gold medal.
We are at the last two levels.
Level 23. Find and feed all the hungry microorganisms before the timer runs out. Ready, go!
Oh,
This microorganism isn't hungry. The edge of
Oh.
the screen has been reached. Press the D-pad in a different
Oh,
direction
great.
to keep searching.
didn't realize.
Finished. Well done. You earned a gold medal.
Last level. We are at the last one.
Level 24. Find and get rid of all the micro invaders before the
Same
timer
thing,
runs
it
out.
gets super
Ready?
hard on this
Go.
level. Oh,
Level incomplete. Would you like to
might have been a
yes?
virus again. Might have been virus.
Level 24. Find and get rid of all the micro invaders before the timer runs out. Ready? Go.
Must be because of the virus spreading.
Level incomplete. Would you like yes?
This level is
24.
impossible.
Find and get rid of all the micro invaders before the timer runs out. Ready? Go.
Super fast. This level is hard, so careful. Super fast, please. Okay, there's one more. Oh,
Finished.
finally.
Well done. You earned a gold
That's
medal.
all the levels.
Well done. You completed all the levels. You can replay any level by selecting it on the map.
So after you completed all the levels, there's a track that leads you very downlessly. Do you see how many gold, bronze, or silver you earned? So there's a gameplay demo of the telescope.
Use the D-pad to explore your sample. Move the sample. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes. Yes. What's this?
Okay,
Round 1. Listen to the question, then use the D-pad to find the correct picture on the screen. Press the checkmark button to confirm your selection. Ready? Go! Which picture shows an animal shell? That's it! Which picture shows corn? You got it! Which shows pollen? Finished! That's the end of the round.
Oh,
Let's see
very
your score.
close.
Great. Keep going.
2.
Round 2. Answer as many questions as you can before time runs out. Listen for a clue and find the matching picture. Ready? Go! Feather. Algae. Lung.
Oh, the
Slime.
human. Oh,
DNA. Shell.
subscribe for more content.